Alright, today is the day. And when I say the day, it's not the day that I'm petting my dog. She likes that a lot though. She likes it when I scratch her back, scratch her eyes. We are reached a major milestone. You guys have seen some videos of me in my free time remodeling my basement and remodeling my garage. It was a pandemic decision that we thought we'd take care of because I didn't know when else I would do it. I'm so busy with my life. But the garage is, should I say, done. It's not 100% done, but it's like 99% done. And I have cleaned out the garage for 2 years. Been living out of all my garage tools and everything. I've been in those bins over there, those plastic totes. And all my cars have been out in the shop, and I've had to push the cars out in the weather. And my poor little Isetta has not been here for 2 years. It is grimy, it is gritty, I need to wash it. But today is the day that we bring the Isetta home. Obviously it's here, but it's going in the garage, into its new showroom, into its new home to be displayed, loved, driven on the weekends, and hopefully live a new life in a heated garage that's not dusty and dirty in a shop environment. So it's a special day. It's been 2 years, so this thing is really dusty and dirty and grimy, and I gotta wash it, clean it up. I'm gonna do that now, dry it off, and then you guys can watch me install my art piece into my new Art Deco garage. Hang out, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, and so just like that, the little Isetta is all cleaned up, washed, bathed, spa day. All the grime and grunge and grody stuff is removed. This is an original car. It's mostly original paint. I've mechanically restored it, but it's very original. It's very special. It's not perfect. It has dents, dings, but today's a special day because this car is going into its new storage space, which has all been refurbished. And I might get a little emotional here. It's been 2 long years of a lot of work. All right, so the BMW Isetta is all cleaned up. Stella's our little hospitality girl in our newly refinished garage with our shiny floors. And now we have carpets. And we didn't roll out the red carpet for little Isetta, but we rolled out the old living room carpet that we're not using anymore. And what are you gonna do? You're gonna bite your butt? Is that what you're gonna do? Is that how you're gonna celebrate? That looks so good. It looks like a showroom in here. We got the heat on, we got the lights on. I can just stand here and look at my car all day. This has been a long time coming, fellas. Oh my goodness. What a day.